doesn't matter whether you've applied to 500 applications this week or done intense research on 50 different companies and spent 12 hours per company, whatever it is. What ultimately matters in your job search is how many conversations are you having which are directly related to your job search or career. Doesn't have to be about job per se. It could be about getting advice from someone. It could be about learning from someone how they were able to pivot to a different career or to connect you to somebody in their own network. But conversations are a way better metric. I get this from so many job seekers who have been working extremely hard for my job search. I'm applying to many applications in a day, reaching out to people. But unless you have those 2 to 3 conversations per week, your job search is not moving at a very fast pace. Now, here's the thing. I do understand to get 2 or 3 conversations in a week, you have to put a lot of background work, do the right level of research, reach out to the right people, arrange timing, etc., etc. But that is always the golden metric.